Welcome to Powerland Training Academy, a bespoke learning and development facility based in the Midlands. We provide training courses in electrical, solar, and EV charging systems and are all supported by LCL and City and Guilds accreditations. Powerland also offer additional hands-on experience for solar and EV installers with products such as Victron, Give Energy, My Energy, SunSync, Solis, Pylantech and many others. All Powerland training rigs have been signed off by LCL and City and Guilds assessors, and our expert tutors have over 40 years industry experience. The Powerland Training Academy has state-of-the-art facilities with individual classrooms, appraisal and examination rooms, providing you with an excellent learning experience. Powerland wholesale work with hundreds of solar installers across the UK and have a large, fully stocked warehouse, boasting all the leading brands. Our account managers are available to answer any questions that you may have. Enhance your career today by visiting powerlandtrainingacademy.co.uk.